video will cover in detail one of the 5 user access levels that CERVIS has to offer, Group Leader Access. This access level allows the point of contact for a group to have more administrative functions and control over their group or groups. A person with this access level can add volunteers to the system, view and edit the profiles of the volunteers in their group, register them for opportunities, email them, and run reports. For a group leader to access these options, 2 criteria must be met. First, they must either be the primary or alternate group contact for their group. Second, they must be given group leader access on their profile. To do this, search for the volunteer on the Volunteer Management dashboard. Click Update or Edit Profile next to the volunteer's name, scroll to the bottom of the list, and change the Service Access Level option to Group Leader. Now let's look at the options that a group leader has available with this higher access level. Under Volunteer Management, group leaders can add members to their group by clicking Add New Volunteer. Volunteers can be added with as little as name and phone number. Group leaders can search for members of their group by clicking either Search or Manage Volunteer Database or Advanced Volunteer Search. On the Volunteer Management dashboard, leaders can update volunteer information or register their volunteers for events. Next, group leaders can view or manage volunteer follow-ups. Follow-ups are helpful reminders that can be assigned to group leaders by other administrators in order to ensure essential tasks are completed. Report management allows a group leader to run a myriad of reports on their group. To run a report, set the time frame of the report at the top, whether you want the report in document or spreadsheet format, configure the specific report as needed, and click Run Report. If you would like for them to have an additional way to access their group, you can change the Allow Group Leaders to Access Group Management field in the Group Management Settings section of the system configuration to Yes. This will give them an additional option under Volunteer Management called Group Management. From this screen, they can perform a group registration, run searches, and view or add group notes. Under the Event or Project Management heading, group leaders can access events or projects for which they have been assigned as an organizer. If a group leader is not an organizer for any events, the Event Management dashboard will be blank. Lastly, group leaders have the ability to launch the sign-in console for quickly signing volunteers in and out for an event. This video is one in a series of videos on group management within CERVIS. Follow the link in the description for a playlist of all of the videos.